Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on the Euro dollar daily time frame, I mean, we had this big engulfing move up last night in the Asian session because of an announcement that Trump made last night. So technically, the dollar index is back to being down. Technically, this is definitely back to being up. Now, I really wouldn't be surprised if by the end of this daily candle, this thing was all the way back down here, and our original analysis of this doing this is still correct. But you have to, no matter what your analysis is, no whether it's Elliott wave or whatever it is, the market knows best, and the market is definitely back into an uptrend. We are up based on market flow, especially if this holds engulfing up by the end of the day. So technically, we should be looking for logs on the euro dollar now. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, really, I guess there was a little bit of a clue in the Asian session because you had this break of structure, then you had a pullback. This entry happened at about 1 o'clock in the night, so definitely wasn't a trade that I took. I was definitely sleeping at that time, but I mean, you had a nice little break of structure, you had a nice little pullback, and then a golfy move up. Very nice little entry. Now, like I said, we should technically be looking for longs unless it breaks this structure. Or unless it goes up to a Fibonacci level and then goes down and breaks structure like that, making like a double top. It could possibly go down, up, up, down, making higher highs, higher lows, and it could just keep on going up. But if it does break to the downside at a Fibonacci level, like this, or it just turns down now and breaks this, then that definitely would turn me back to being bearish the euro dollar. Otherwise, like I said, no matter what our early wave analysis or any analysis you may be using says, we are back into market flow to the upside on the daily time frame, and that daily time frame trend really should be your friend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.